Welcome to OFW Runner. Today is day 55. This is JP Adena and today is February 23rd, 2017. And this is my New Day's resolution. And for those who just tuned in, this is my version of New Year's resolution wherein I think of a task. Instead of thinking of a task to complete within the year, I'm thinking of that task to be completed every single day of 2017. And that is to walk, jog, or run. And this is to inspire you. I'm taking a video of it every day to inspire you, even just one person, to start a habit and make it a good one. And I will see you in an hour. Implementation. Just like my habit or my task today, walking. What I did is I walked today. And kung napanood nyo yung movie na Finding Dory, ang sinasabi ni Dory doon ay just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. If you think nadapa ka, just keep walking. Sa akin, version ko, just keep walking. Kapag natalisod ka, just keep walking. Kapag may tumulak sa'yo, just keep walking. Kapag ka may malaking bundok sa harapan mo, just keep walking. Yes. The third part of the series is implementation. First one is the imagination. Second is your imitation or imitating other successful people. And third one is implementation. Basically, walking the talk. Yun, di ba? Instead of puro sat-sat, right? Pero mayroon akong blog post tungkol dito, which is work hard, play hard, or pay now, play later. Ano bang mas maganda? I hope to see you on your on the comment section. Ano mas maganda? Work hard, play hard, or pay now, play later? Kasi parang medyo leaning towards work hard, play hard tayo lagi. May kanta pa nga dun di ba? Work hard, play hard. Sobrang sikat, sobrang uso ngayon ang work hard and then play hard. Wala nang gumagawa or parang hindi mo naririnig na I wanna pay now and play later na lang para at least yung future ko okay. So, parang hindi siya sikat. Hindi ka in kapag hindi ka nag-work hard, play hard. Pero marami sa atin work hard naman, right? Nag-work hard naman. Minsan nagpa-play hard na rin, pero hindi masaya. Right? Parang nagpa-play hard pero hindi masaya, right? Yung saya na ay panandalian lamang. So, para sa akin, ang gist ng vlog na 'yon na ginawa ko ay hindi mo naman kailangan pumili sa dalawa eh. Hindi mo kailangan gawin na work hard, play hard lang or pay now, play later lang. Ang kailangan natin gawin hanapin yung balance in between. Actually, hindi rin eh. There will never be a balance in between. Right? Mahirap yun. Kasi kung makuha mo yung balance na yun, sige, babayaran kita. Kung nalaman mo yung balance na yun, babayaran kita. Gagawin ko rin. Alam mo yun? So, life is constantly finding the balance. Right? But you have to continue to walk. Right? Meaning, you have to work hard and work smarter also. Kasi pay now, play later, just that's working smart, right? Pwede rin naman na may shortcut pala, right? Pero you still have to work hard for it. Kailangan mo pa rin gawin yung mga necessary na bagay, hindi yung overnight success. There's no such thing as overnight success. Kasi nakita lang natin, yung isang taon na hindi siya successful at ginagawa niya yung isang bagay, tapos after a year, successful na siya, pero hindi natin nalaman na 365 days siya nagtrabaho. Pero ang tawag natin doon, overnight success. Right? So, we really have to work hard. Given na yon. At naiintindihan lahat yun as an OFW. We are working hard. Pero bakit hindi tayo successful? Right? Because we are not working smart also. At minsan naman ibang tao, working smart lang. Working smart, ayaw ko ng, kadiri naman yan, pagpapawis. Putikan, ayaw kong gumamasa sa putikan. Ayaw kong magtanim, ayaw kong mag-araro. Gusto ko mag-ani lang. You have to work hard and work smarter as well. Right? Hindi ibig sabihin, bumaba na yung pagkatao mo. porket work hard ka. And finding the balance in between is life. Right? So, but you have to walk. Yung bata, naalala mo nung, kung may anak ka, or kung naalala mo nung, yung mga pamangkin mo na bata pa, umpisa siya sa nakatihaya. And then, tumaob. And then, gumapang. And then, tumayo. And then, naglakad. And then, tumakbo. Right? Imagine mo kung pinigilan niya sarili, ayoko nang tumihaya. Bakit? Hirap eh. Di ba nakita mo, hirap na hirap siyang tumihaya? Hirap na hirap siyang, dumapa. Hirap na hirap siyang gumapang noong una. Hirap na hirap siyang maglakad. Pero tayo, encourage, go, kaya mo yan anak, kaya mo yan. Makakatayo ka, makakatakbo ka rin. At pag nagawa lang, saya-saya mo. Right? Ganoon din sa'yo eh. Matanda ka na, pero isipin natin na para kang batang gumagapang pa rin. Na nag-aral tumakbo. At finally, maglakad. Right? Do. I have this concept, ing everything, ing. Ing everything. If you wanna have a savings, you have to be saving. If you wanna be a saver, you have to be saving. You have to be learning. You wanna learn, you have to be learning, right? And just ing everything. Do it. Ito po ang vlog ko. Gagawin ko yung buong taon. 365 days. Nung una, hirap na hirap ako. Parang walang, ewan ko na, kung nanonood kayo dito, nakita nyo naman na parang walang pattern yung ginagawa ko. Pero unti-unti nangyayari, nagagawa ko na ng kahit papano na iaayos ko. Natutunan ko yung mga pagkakamali ko nung una. Na ganito, na ganyan. At ang sarap ng feeling na alam kong nag-i-improve ako. Ito, ginaya ko ulit to kay Gary Vaynerchuk. Sabi niya, document versus create. Ibang tao, naku, kailangan makagawa ako ng pinakamagandang video sa lahat. Kailangan ganito, kailangan ganyan, kailangan yung lighting ganito, kailangan ganyan yung angulo. Pero mayroong isang tao na ginagawa niya yung binivideo niya araw-araw. Araw-araw, wala siyang pakialam sa angulo. Except sa audio, kailangan maganda audio. Mas natuto yung taong ginawa niya araw-araw kaysa doon sa taong nag-iisip na gagawin niya balang araw. In everything. You have to be doing, you have to be walking. Please ing everything. Document versus create. Follow Gary Vaynerchuk, marami kayong matutunan sa kanya. Ngayon, sana may na-inspire ako ngayong araw na to sa inyo, mga OFW, na kumilos, maglakad, at huwag tumigil. Work hard and work smarter too. Find the balance in between. Matutuwa ka na lang, or isang araw, habang ginagawa mo yon, malalaman mo na lang na wala pala akong dapat ipag-alala. Kasi inaayos ko yung ngayon, saka yung bukas ko. At hindi ko naman kontrolado yon. Pero, preparado, areglado. Hope you're inspired. Because I know if I can do this, kung kaya ko maglakad 365 days buong taon, alam kong kaya mo rin.